Welcome to another update by Force 13 on Hurricane Aletta, a now weakening hurricane in the eastern Pacific, currently at 16.2 degrees north and 112.3 degrees west, moving west-northwest at 6 miles an hour with a minimum pressure of 953 millibars and a maximum sustained winds of 125 miles an hour. A Category 3 down from earlier from its peak at Category 4, 140 miles an hour. And as before, there are no warnings in effect as the storm continues to move away from land. Here's the current track forecast for Hurricane Aletta by the National Hurricane Center. As of 9 p.m. Central Time Friday, still around 16 degrees north, slowly increasing in latitude. The storm is going to weaken quite quickly, as the National Hurricane Center indicates, within 2 days back into a tropical storm, and then dissipating within 3 days about. Before the 3-day time, actually, it's going to dissipate while starting to curve back to the southwest. Here's some satellite imagery of Hurricane Aletta as the time's gone on today. You can see at the start, it seems to have peaked out as a mid-tier Category 4 hurricane. It was looking very impressive earlier, but as visible satellite shows, the storm has started to deteriorate recently in the past couple hours going into the overnight. And according to the National Hurricane Center and most models, that is going to continue for the next couple days. In this shot right here, you can see this is the cloud top temperatures. They're starting to warm up quite a bit. The eye is getting more covered and less defined. And dry air is starting to try to break its way in, it seems, as well. Just a little while ago, we were talking about the Hurricane Center forecast about the decrease in strength. The models here all tell a very similar story, having the storm take a nosedive in strength within the next 72 hours. Most of them below tropical storm status by them. There's a few odd ones that keep it up as a hurricane or tropical storm, but there's wide agreement that it's going to rapidly weaken over the next days. It seems that Aletta's seen its peak during the early morning hours of today into the early afternoon. Here's why Aletta's going to start rapidly weakening, basically. Wind shear, it's about to hit a wall of very high wind shear. It's been in an area of low wind shear for the past day and a half, 2 days now. That's what's allowed it to rapidly intensify into a Category 4 hurricane, as now it's back down to Category 3. But it was Category 4 earlier. It's going northwest-northwest into that higher shear area, and that's going to basically tear apart the storm. Going along with that, it's bringing it into cooler water as well. It's currently at this point been in waters of 27 to 28 degrees Celsius, but that's going to drop off to 24 degrees Celsius and below during the next few hours into the next day or two, and that's going to contribute to the storm's rapid weakening.